Hey everybody, it's Courtney, Fiber Fox Studios, and I got a new phone and I don't know how to make it come back. So this is the super up close Tales from the Truck this week. I hate new phones. I got a new phone though because I needed more space for filming. The one that I've been using is older. There's nothing wrong with it, but I constantly run out of space for filming those really long tutorials. So I got a new phone, the cheapest one that I can get. I don't know how to work it. So I apologize that y'all are having to like be so in my face, but couple things for this week's Tales from the Truck. I did want to announce the giveaway winner. So there was a secret giveaway in my Tales from the Porch Hobby Lobby yarn haul, and so that winner has been chosen. I did figure out how to get to the internet on this phone and I used the YouTube random comment picker to select a winner, and I'm going to insert a screenshot of the winner that popped up. Congratulations, Paula. Please send me an email. My email will be down in the description box. And I need your address so I can send out your prize. And now on to the other things. So this weekend I went and bought a new couch, and we struggled to put it together because we went to IKEA. I have never bought furniture from IKEA before. I mean, I guess it wasn't that big of a struggle, but you really got to pay attention to those directions, because you are literally building your furniture. Like, doesn't matter what you're buying. But went in there to buy a smaller couch because we're in a tiny house, and we ended up buying a bigger couch because it had storage underneath for yarn. So I have a new couch, and I'm going to load the underside of it, little compartment with yarn. That's what I'm going to do. And now for the projects I want to show you guys, and they're obviously going to be very up close. I've scooted the seat back and everything, like I can't get any further away. So one moment and I will show you some projects. I'm leaning back now. That's helping. But first thing I want to show you guys is my allergies are bothering me, by the way, so if I sound weird, that's why. First thing I'm going to show is this beauty right here that you can probably barely see. It is an asymmetrical shawl. Here's the end of it. It gets smaller as we go to the end. See. This is done with leftover mandala cakes. I will do a tutorial for this on the channel because it's going to be very quick and easy to film, or I think it will be. So this one is the crochet version. So I'm doing triple crochets with chain one spaces, and then just triple crochets right here in this section. But I had 3 leftover cakes. One of them I had more, like almost a full ball. That was Honey Dukes was the color of that one. And then I had 2 other like partial balls. So what I did was I created one giant cake by holding 2 yarns together, and I had to join the 2 smaller balls together to, you know, make it enough. So using those, it would technically be like 1 full cake if you were, you know, doing this in just mandala, just 1 mandala. But I held those together, and so the 3 cakes ended up creating this really cool color transition. I mean, I like it. I don't know if you like it, but I like it. And here's where I began. So you begin down here nice and skinny, and then you work your way to the widest point, which I'll try to show like this. Gets pretty wide. And so I did that. And then I really liked how that came out. So I decided to change my Tunisian shawl completely. The one that I'm going to do is a tutorial. And I came up with this one. So it's another asymmetrical shawl. I know you guys can't see it all because I can't back up the camera. And I need a tripod now, I guess. But this is what this one came out like. Here's my tail I haven't sewn in yet. But this is Tunisian. So this is actually a lot lighter than that one because I use size 4 yarn. I use a cake of the Lion Brand Mandala Tweed Stripes. And it created this really gorgeous shawl. And I love this one. I love the way the color changes and everything. This color was the white elephant. And then down here, I had some scraps left from Talisman, just enough to do these few little rows at the widest point, and it does get rather wide, but I love it. I'm going to teach this one also because it is very simple, and I think I'll be able to film it very easily. But that's what it ended up looking like. And so that is that one. I'm going to wear those. I will probably do a video on how to wear the asymmetrical shawls, like options and stuff, because I know it's like it's an odd shape and maybe not everybody, you know, would be interested because like, how am I going to wear that? Well, I've come up with some ways to wear it that, I mean, I like it, you know, and it's definitely winter wear, the way that I'm going to show you how to style it, but I'll do a video on it after I get those released. I forgot to bring the cardigan that I've been working on in the mesh sage. Forgot to bring that, but I am almost done with it so I can do my sizing and stuff. So hopefully I'll be able to film that this coming weekend. I'm not putting too much pressure on myself because pretty much all I do is crochet and film for YouTube for my free times. I'll get it out as quick as I can. It is a lot to film something like that though because there's multiple stages to it. So I'm working on it though, but I did forget it because I was working on it, so I didn't have it in my bag. And then I wanted to show you guys, for those of you who are interested in the mosaics, this is a blanket that I did. I've shown it before. So it starts over here, and we go over here. Ta-da! And I actually have the patterns for this all figured out, and I had a lovely one of you ladies that did testing for me, gave me some corrections because I was basically looking at this blanket and trying to refigure out the designs, because when I did this, there was no YouTube in my mind, and I certainly did not know anything about making charts. So I am going to release the pattern set for this. I've been kind of held up because I was trying to write out the border, but I am not a good pattern writer at this point. I don't have the time, I guess, to put into it to kind of perfect it, and I end up getting myself confused, and if I'm confused, you'll be confused. But there is a tutorial for this border already up on the channel, so gonna release the pattern set though. Not planning on doing any type of crochet along or anything like that for this. I'll just release the patterns for those of you who want. I might use some of these as tutorials, some of the patterns that are in this. Like I really like, let me find it, where are you at? I really like this one a lot right here, so I might release that as a tutorial, but I don't know. Crochet alongs, they take a lot more time, and I just don't know if I'm going to... I was trying to do one, and I was planning one for the fall, and I just don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get to it. It's a lot with working full-time. And if you are interested in mosaics, I just released this today for Mosaic Monday. Yes, today. YouTube is not liking this mobile uploads and stuff. I don't know what it is, but I started uploading originally on Sunday, if that tells you anything. But those videos are very long, and I have satellite internet. So that was this one right here. It finally went up. And then this is another version of it showing two of them. In the tutorial, it's kind of like an advanced beginner on this one because I only do this one piece right here. I don't show you going over, but if you follow the repeats and all, you'll get it. So I did that and that, and that is all I have to show because I forgot the cardigan. And I'd like to hear from you guys down in the comments. Paula, definitely send me an email. It'll be down below, my email address. I need your address so I can ship out your goodies. And let me know what you guys have been working on. And until next time, bye for now.